Yes, this video I'm making for my lovely CMA final students. The wait is over. The wait is over. The wait is over. मैं आपको बता दूं, all the marathons of CMA final, yes, you heard it right, all the marathons of CMA final are going to be uploaded by 4th of December, not 30th of November, by 4th of December. So we'll be starting uploading all the marathons exhaustively, and from 26th of November, we'll be uploading all the marathons for CMA final, and it will be completed by 4th of December. Now, the marathons will be uploaded on YouTube channels of any of the 3 YouTube channels. It may be uploaded on MEPL CMA exclusive or MEPL classes YouTube channel or MOHIT AGARWAL YouTube channel. On any of these 3 channels, the marathons will be uploaded. Some subjects marathons, all 8 subjects marathons will be uploaded, but some subjects marathons will be uploaded on MEPL CMA exclusive, some on MEPL classes, and some on MA YouTube channel. Okay, so this distribution of all 8 subjects will be done on these 3 YouTube channels. All the marathons will be there exhaustively. Entire syllabus will be covered. You just have to make sure that you have to watch these marathons very carefully, very, religiously, and sure you're going to pass CMA finals. Okay, and one more thing, do subscribe all these 3 channels and press the bell icon for all notifications. Otherwise, YouTube is not going to send you the notification, and you may miss out on some of these marathons, which I do not want you to miss out. Okay, so boys and girls, this is a historic announcement. Sare ke sare marathons are on your way. 26th of November will be starting uploading, and it will be completed by 4th of December. Itna hi nahi. Now, once we complete it on 4th of December, CMA final mission series for all the subjects. Yes, you heard it right. CMA final mission series for all the subjects, in which we are going to solve all the objective questions. Because now your exams are offline, so in the manner the objective questions used to come for December 2019, because it was the last offline exam, we are going to solve all the objective question in the same manner, and from that question bank only, all the faculties of MEPL are going to have a question bank of the objectives, and there are huge chances, 99% objectives are going to come from that question bank itself, because we are going to use the resources provided by the institute and make sure that none of the objectives are missed out. Okay, whether it be bit question, whether it be MTPs, we are going to solve it. So these sessions will start from 14th of December and will continue till 22nd of December. 14th December till 22nd of December. Daily sessions will be there except Sunday. Daily sessions will be there. Right. Except Sunday, daily sessions will be there. Approximately duration of these sessions will be 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Take a daily 6 p.m. from 14th of December, and prior to that, by 4th of December, all the marathons will come. If you have liked this announcement, if you are liking our efforts, then please hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and also like the video and share this video like wildfire with all the CMA final students, because we are doing selfless services for you guys. So we also expect a little bit of support and gratitude from your side. Do comment in the comment box how is this announcement, and do share this video with all the CMA final friends in your WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Right. One more icing on the cake is that for few subjects we are also going to give exhaustive mission series, daily mission series. So stay tuned to the channel and subscribe all the 3 channels of MOHIT AGARWAL MEPL classes and CMA exclusive to receive further notifications. Right. So this is the announcement for CMA final. It is really going to be the game changer for you guys. Thank you. See you in the sessions. Don't miss it. Okay. Sir, why so late? 4th December तक marathon upload हो जा रहा है, फिर 14th December से क्यों? Because from 5th to 13th we are going to have CMA intermission series. That is why. Okay. So make sure you are subscribing all the channel, and अब तो like button दबा दो यार, and वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कर दो. Lots of love. Last तक साथ रहेंगे और आपको CMA बना करके छोड़ेंगे.